Hi, in front of me is Realme 8 and today I would like to show you how you can lock apps on this device. Start by opening settings. Now you need to scroll down, go into fingerprint, face and password, click on set privacy password and tap use a different password type. Over here pick one of the login methods, for example pattern, then enter it and repeat it. Now you have to answer security question by typing the answer over here, but you can also click on the question, pick one of the available ones or tap on custom question and create your own. When you're done, click at the top right corner of this pop-up and answer the question. Then click at the top right corner over here and go into app lock. Now you have to select apps that you want to lock by clicking on the switcher next to them. So for example, I will go with Files, Facebook and Contacts. So now when I click Home button and try to access one of these apps, for example Facebook, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!